So you got this on Amazon too?
Yep.
And what do? You hit this button to turn it on?
No, that's just to set the, change your settings or whatever. I never do.
Oh, okay. So you just kind
It's all
of,
manual.
so you just kind of put your feet on it like that, and just
No,
go
in
like.
the stirrups.
Oh, you got to put them in the stirrups?
Yeah.
My feet won't fit in those stirrups. My feet are too big. See, I told you. All right. So, and basically, while you're just sitting here munching on some popcorn, or having a couple ice cream sundaes or something, you just do this, and that's it. And then bam, you burn some calories, right? I mean, how many times have you done it? Never?
No, I do it.
This doesn't even make a good coat rack. It's not high enough. You might want to send it back.
I sit here at night, I do.
Do you?
I do it for about 15 minutes.
All right, so it doesn't have a name, does it? Oh, here it is. Look, here's the name, you guys. It's called Lylyfan. Lylyfan? That's what it says, Lylyfan. Oh my God, that's the dog's name. Isn't that crazy? Lily, you got an exercise machine named after you. Hey, there's an exercise machine named after you. Right here, look. Lylyfan. All right. If you like this video, I got millions of them just like it.